Hey everybody. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, it's your girl Alexis. Why are you ewing? Alright, I'm about to flex on you, mama. With my 26 subscribers. Alright. I haven't filmed a vlog since freaking Easter time.
Yeah, you said that a couple weeks ago.
What? Yeah, well, I didn't get any content on that day, so.
No, you're still on your own.
Alright, let's prove my mom wrong. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, and then we'll see who's talking.
Yeah, right.
So I didn't get to post my Easter vlog because of the footage. Everything got deleted. And it was gonna be such a good vlog. It was gonna be such a good vlog. It was gonna have my friend in it too. I went all the way down to. I literally filmed the whole time I was there. And I didn't. And none of it all deleted, and I was so mad. So basically, like, and then I didn't film within those times because my camera didn't have any storage. I'm gonna record tomorrow, and I want to do something cool. Huh?
Do you?
Oh, honey, now do.
Do you? Up the hill.
I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Do you?
Bye, guys. Ah. We're gonna make cake in a mug. I'm not hungry though. I'm gonna keep saying that because I want to eat it. I wanted to eat it sometime in my life. I'm not hungry. I don't know where to put this. Hello? Ooh. Okay, good. So, I got this for my birthday. It's probably backwards. I don't really know how to flip that. So, but it's called Cake in a Mug. And there says there's 4 individual servings and it takes 1 minute. 1 minute to make. Why wouldn't you just stand by yourself? Hello? Can you see my dog? You just stopped doing it. What? Oh, now he goes again. Gizmo, what are you doing? Gizmo! Stop. And while that too, my friends also bought me a mug because we don't really have any because none of us like drink coffee or tea or whatever you're supposed to put in a mug. And I think mugs get like really dirty. I don't know. I'm not gonna eat this. I'm so not hungry. Press to close. How do I open it? So I guess it comes with frosting. Look how much. So Empty cake mug into microwave saves 9 to 12 inch mug. How do you know if it's 9 or 12 inches? Ooh, it smells like brownie batter. So I'm pouring it. Oh, I'm pouring it into the. Ugh. Why am I so stupid? All right. Add 3 tablespoons of water or milk until well blended. And I think I want to do milk because, well, you see, this is a tablespoon. It's a lot of milk. I don't really like milk, but I think it tastes good in chocolate stuff. If you know what I mean. Oh, do you? One. I need a spoon. And now we mix it until well mixtured inside. Can you even see that? I need like a freaking flashlight. I don't have a lot of battery or time on my like phone storage. Look at that. That's not well mixed yet. So I'm gonna pour like a drop more milk because it's like a little clumpy. I don't know if that's supposed to happen. But look, I don't know if you can tell, but all right, can you see that? Why is it clumpy? I don't know. I'm gonna assume that it's done doing that. So, uncovered on high, directed below, microwave 10 seconds longer necessary. I'm gonna put it in there for 1 minute and 10 seconds, but I don't know what to do with the spoon because now it has like a lot of chocolate on it. So I'm using a tablespoon. Shut up, you know? Shut up. I'm using the tablespoon thing. But like, are you serious? Alright, well, I'm just gonna put it in the oven, in the microwave. I don't really know if I'm supposed to watch it. Probably be a good idea, but like, look at this mess. This is a lot for me, at least. Focus on me. Focus. Focus on me. Come here. Focus. Focus on me. Do you want a treat, baby? Ow, hot, hot. It's hot, so like don't touch the side. I don't know what this towel is used for, but I'm gonna use it, so look. Hold on. Ooh, I'm scared I'm gonna drop it. Hold on, look. Look at that. What is that? I stuck my spoon in there. Let's see what this does. Does this make me look bright? Rainbow bright. Kind of does, but I kind of just want to show you what it looks like. So like, don't ignore. It's kind of hot. I mean, I guess they could add this on there. But they only gave me 2 of these and 4 of these. So, like, I don't know how to, like, really split it in half. But I'm just gonna pour it. I'm just gonna pour half of it. And I'm assuming that, oh wow. I don't really know if that did anything. It kind of just, it's still hot. It kind of just all disappeared. It all disappeared. So, I don't really like icing though. Yeah, the icing really didn't do anything. And I don't know, like, I don't know. I'm gonna try it. It's like really crumbly. Yes, I have to smell every food that I eat. Comment down below if you have the same thing. It tastes like I'm eating air. So, I give these Betty Crocker cake in a mug things, a 4 out of 10. Appearance, you know, I don't even do that. I'm sorry, friends, if you're watching this and you got me it. I'll still eat it. Just not today, because I am so not hungry right now. Like, I'm not. So, maybe, do I turn this off me? What do you guys think? Oh. So, if you want another video, I have brownie in a mug to make also. Haven't made that one either. Which is why I made this one first, because I don't really like cake. So I was like, so yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed, give a like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias down below. And let me know what you guys want me to do next. Bye. Does that look creepy or what?